Are you tired of paying $50 to $100 a month for AI tools that just give you boring walls of text you have to rewrite anyway? What if your AI already knew exactly how to build full funnels, sales pages, and SEO articles with zero prompt engineering? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at a brand new tool that replaces your entire AI monthly tool stack. In this AI Skills Agent review, I am going to show you why this is the only AI tool you need this year. For a one-time fee of about 15 bucks, it replaces hundreds of dollars in monthly subscriptions. I highly recommend it, especially if you grab my custom mega bonus package linked below. So what exactly is AI Skills Agent? It is a cloud-based dashboard loaded with over 200 ready-to-run professional AI skills. It is built for new affiliate marketers, agency owners, and creators who want finished deliverables, not just chat responses. The biggest problem it solves is that you do not need to learn how to write complex prompts. A prompt is just a wish, but a skill is a proven system. You just pick a skill like Sales Page Builder or SEO Article Engine, answer a simple question about your offer, and the agent does the rest of the work from start to finish. Let's look inside the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see the 200 plus skills categorized by task. You have sections for copywriting, funnels, research, SEO, and video. Let's say you want a YouTube short script. You just click the short script machine. You give it your topic, and instead of just giving you a messy outline, it runs a multi-step process to deliver a formatted, ready-to-record script. There's also an agent mode. Here, you just type one single command and the software picks the right skills and chains them together. It even checks its own work before handing you the final document. There are no monthly fees and everything is super easy to use. The front-end system is incredibly powerful for just $14.95, but if you want to scale fast, pay close attention to these upgrades. OTO1 is the unlimited edition for $47. This is a must-have. It removed all limits so you can run unlimited agent requests and build endless content. OTO3 is the traffic upgrade for $37. AI Skills Agent builds the assets, but this upgrade helps you drive the actual eyeballs and traffic to the funnels you just built. OTO6 is the agency license for $37. This lets you sell these AI-generated services to clients and keep 100% of the profits. Sell just one sales page and this upgrade pays for itself. I want to make sure you get massive results with this, which is why I put together an exclusive bonus package. If you pick up AI Skills Agent through the first link in the description, you get all 10 of these premium bonuses for free. Bonus 1 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool finds hidden, profitable keywords across Google and YouTube, so you know exactly what to target. Bonus 2 is the WP Swift Page plugin. Instantly speed up your website so you never lose a buyer to slow loading times. Bonus 3 is Backlinks Warrior software. Automatically find high-quality backlinks to push your affiliate sites to the top of Google. Bonus 4 is Article Analyzer. This makes sure your AI-generated content is perfectly optimized for search engines. Bonus 5 is Vid Builder. You can build lightning-fast video sales pages that load 85% quicker than standard pages. Bonus 6 is Socioltima. Push your AI videos to your exact target audience across all major social platforms for free. Bonus 7 is Gram Suite. Put your Instagram growth on autopilot. Auto-like and comment to build a massive audience while you sleep. Bonus 8 is WP Email Timer Plus. Drop beautiful scarcity countdowns directly inside your promotional emails to force fast action from your list. Bonus 9 is Action Poll. Segment your email list instantly to send laser-targeted affiliate offers that convert like crazy. Bonus 10 is WP Video Ace Plugin Pro. Create stunning review pages, manage your own bonuses, and lock in buyer emails effortlessly. AI Skills Agent is a complete game changer that will save you thousands of dollars a year in subscription fees. But listen closely, my 10 exclusive bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 buyers who click the link below. Once those 50 spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from this page forever. Do not miss out. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your discounted copy of AI Skills Agent and secure all 10 of these premium bonuses before they disappear. Thanks for watching this AI Skills Agent review on App Verdict. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Just click the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button. See you in the next video.